your gadgets last longer. In today's fast-paced digital age, gadgets like smartphones, laptops, and tablets are indispensable. However, these devices can be costly to replace, and constant repairs are a hassle. By taking a few simple steps, you can extend the lifespan of your favorite gadgets, saving money and reducing e-waste. Let's dive into 5 straightforward strategies to make your gadgets last longer. Hasher 1. Use quality accessories. Investing in high-quality accessories, such as chargers and protective cases, is one of the easiest ways to protect your gadgets. Cheap chargers can overheat and damage your device's battery, while a sturdy case can prevent cracks and scratches from accidental drops. For instance, using a tempered glass screen protector on your phone can shield it from scratches and maintain its resale value. 2. Keep devices clean. Dust and dirt are silent killers of electronics. Regularly clean your gadgets with microfiber cloths and compressed air to prevent debris from accumulating in ports, keyboards, and vents. For laptops, keeping the ventilation areas clean ensures proper airflow, reducing the risk of overheating. Remember, a clean gadget not only looks better, but also performs better. 3. Avoid overcharging. One of the most common mistakes users make is leaving devices plugged in overnight. While most modern gadgets have smart charging systems, consistently overcharging can still strain the battery over time. To prolong battery life, unplug your device once it reaches 80 to 90% and avoid letting it drop below 20%. Using apps or built-in tools to monitor charging cycles can also help. 4. Update software regularly. Manufacturers frequently release software updates to fix bugs, enhance security, and optimize device performance. Ignoring these updates can lead to slower performance and make your gadgets vulnerable to cyber threats. Always ensure your devices are running the latest software version to maximize their efficiency and longevity. 5. Store gadgets properly. Improper storage can significantly reduce the lifespan of your gadgets. Avoid exposing devices to extreme temperatures, which can damage internal components. When not in use, store them in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight or humidity. For instance, leaving a laptop in a hot car or a phone in a damp bathroom can lead to irreversible damage. Conclusion: your gadgets are an investment, and taking small but consistent steps to care for them can pay off in the long run. By using quality accessories, keeping devices clean, managing charging habits, updating software, and storing gadgets properly, you can ensure they remain functional and reliable for years. Start applying these tips today, and you'll notice the difference in both performance and longevity. Remember, the key to gadget care is prevention. Treat your devices well, and they'll return the favor by serving you efficiently for a long time.